Hi guys, today is a rainy day. As you can see, not much else can be done, but I can use that type of weather to wash my new PT80 track loader. This is a 2010 machine that I recently bought. It has 3,000 hours on it, and the guy that had it kept up really good with the maintenance and fluids and all that stuff, but he didn't really like to wash his machines. I mean, this machine was kept dirty and filthy all the time. It's never been washed, not even once, for the past 10 years. So today, I sprayed the engine with degreaser, and as you can see, the machine's been sitting outside for many years. It has signs of rust here and there, but other than this, the machine is fully functional. So I'm gonna wash it today, and then slowly I'm gonna paint it up, and it's gonna look like a new machine. I'm gonna use my trusty Honda pressure washer here with the white nozzle and the degreaser that I'm using all the time. Not that I'm making a ad for these guys, but I really like this super clean stuff. It's very tough, it cuts the grease like no other degreaser. And if you buy the 2.5 gallon jug, you save yourself a lot of money. I think this goes for $30 at the auto parts store. Super clean. So let's get this wash going, and I'll show you how the machine looks when we're done.